Denver Dashcam 365. Welcome to Denver Dashcam 365. Let's go. Vùng ngoại ô tôi có căn nhà tranh, tuy bé nhưng thật xinh, thân nghề sống riêng. Nhà ở bên em sống trong giàu sạch, quen gắm nhung đài tràn đi về xe đón đưa. Đêm đêm dưới nhân trăng loan, tôi với cây đường thở than. Well said. Well said, well said. Well said, my friend. Oh, need some more coffee, yeah? Craving for some coffee. Năm trôi qua tình không dám ngờ, bây giờ là bóng bèo.
Another thing about Vietnam, such a nice area, right? But the disappointing part sometimes is where I want to show you why. Look at all the trash. Like, how can a nice building like this have trash just laying around like this? Come on. I mean, something gotta change, right? Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Yeah, littering is just crazy here. Like, you know? Look at this. Someone left a whole room here so they can come back and clean it later tonight. That's crazy. I'm just... because there's a lot. Look, there's cups here too. Look at this. More trash. Very nice area, y'all. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Gems when it comes to hot dogs. We tapped in with two that have been doing it for years and they're Heinz verified. Marco's Hot Dogs and Tacos has been serving Sonoran style hot dogs for more than 25 years, and they even offer fun twists like a burrito dog. They also got tacos so you can enjoy both in one spot. Then there's Harley's Hot Dog Revolution, bringing creative hot dogs since 2013. You'll find everything from brisket dogs to even dogs topped with cheese tortellini. And that's just the start. They have plenty of other fun combinations, including sandwiches. Check out these.
Oh, it's a good day.
He's a good man.
Breaking news, everybody. gem lettuce and omelet chili. Both of these were light and that perfect or just getting started energy. The Karaage chicken was nice and juicy. Then the meal really took it up a notch with this stunning sashimi presentation. The hachibiki, premium. The nigiri flight was definitely a moment. All of these pieces melted in our mouths. And then the cheesecake for dessert was insane. Cherry Creek, you are sweet.
Mayo, that's good, girl. Is that East Moon?
Sawadee cup, everyone.
Sawadee cup. Sawadee cup.
I used to be really.
Were you ever curious about our community?
Get some. Get some, get some, baby. Just not.
Shit, man, still got some hair dye on my forehead. It's all good. Yeah. We live in Denver for a long time. You know, it can snow as late as May 31st. Huh? As late as May 31st. Don't put away your winter jacket until June, huh? And your boots. Welcome to Denver, huh? It can snow as early as September 15 and as late as May 31st in Denver, huh? Shit, man, still got some hair dye on my forehead. It's all good. Yeah. I have a lot, some comments about me talking like a black person. Huh? Does that make Wu-Tang Clan wanna be like Chinese, or you dress like a man? Anyone watching the Avs game tonight? Yeah, the score is 6-9. That's a really high scoring game. 6-9. Warning, warning! DoorDash low tipper detected. Please take precaution. Another hater. Huh? I don't know what that is. All right, fam. Looking Pokemon cards, point 3. It's the third one, huh? We got a YouTube fan. What's your name, bro? Dash.
Nice name.
Huh? How about at? You need to go get a better job so you can take your DoorDash cookies. DoorDash order? Log on. This order, the pay is $6 for 9 miles. All right, let's wrap up the month of April.
It's beautiful, man. Oh, baby. Let's go. Oh, baby. boys. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, baby.